Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a PayPal account. So let's get started. First of all, make sure you have downloaded the PayPal app. Open the app and tap on sign up. Now enter your email address and tap next. Then enter your mobile number and tap next. PayPal will send you a verification code through SMS. Enter that code to continue. Now, create a strong password. After that, fill in your personal details like your name and date of birth. Then, enter your address and tap on Agree and create account. Once done, you can add your debit or credit card to link with your PayPal account. You can also skip this step and add it later from the settings. That's all it takes. Now you can send and receive money online, shop securely, and even make payments globally right from your phone. And that's it. Now you know how to create a PayPal account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.